Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Chinonso Daniel, where we make loads of money. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to pack money from the financial market. And the easiest way is through Forex trading. But instead of going through the normal way of telling you about Forex and how to become a millionaire Forex trader, in this video, we'll be using ChatGPT to become millionaire Forex traders. But since some of you don't know a lot about Forex, so let's start the first part of this video by telling you how to be a Forex trader. And the second part is how to make millions of dollars through Forex trading. Let's jump to ChatGPT, the AI model that provides a detailed response to instructions or questions, as we like to call it. I'm on ChatGPT, and here just sign up with your email and type how to become a Forex trader. Let's go through it one by one and discuss it with you so that you will know the best way to become a Forex trader. Now, the first step is learn the basics. If you are interested in trading the financial market, you've seen people trading pound, trading dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, all these pairs, all these names that fly about. They're all talking about currency, trading money for money, trading pound for dollar, trading dollar for naira, naira for euro, euro for gold, and things like that. So that's what we're doing in the financial market. In the Forex market, we are trading currencies. So since you want to be a Forex trader, learn the basics. Learn the basics of currency, learn the basics of government, learn the basics of money, learn the basics of what's involved in the financial market. There are a lot of things you have to learn about. To become a trader, you have to open your mind to learning. And you ask, where do I start from? You start by smashing the subscribe button on this channel. You start by liking and going through the videos I've already made in Forex trading. And once you're done with that, you jump to YouTube and watch other content on how to be a Forex trader. And they are all here. If you want courses, I would recommend Udemy. Just go to their categories. You see finance and accounting. Then you see investing and trading. Under trading, you see you can trade stocks, trade Forex, and all kinds of trading that's there. So here, we're clicking Forex trading to see the courses that are there that you and I can take on how to be a Forex trader. And you see some of them here. I also have a full course on Forex trading, and it's coming very soon. The key thing that you need in trading Forex is to open your mind to learning different strategies, learn about risk management, learn about what works and what does not work. The most popular platform used for analyzing trade is TradingView. You can use it to practice, to draw your chart, understand how these buttons are being used to analyze the financial market, So, and in trading, that's what we call fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis involves using data, using information, using news to trade. And whereas technical analysis involves you using indicators to trade. There are a lot of indicators like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, Fib ratios that people use in making trading decisions. So that's what I'm saying at the beginning stage, you have to learn and expose yourself to all these instruments. Then at the later stage of it, you decide what works for you and what does not work for you. So once you are through with getting those education, you also need to attend seminars, take courses, read books, articles on forex trading. You want to open yourself up to the world of trading currencies. I would recommend this book, Trading Forex for Dummies, or Trading Currencies for Dummies, on Amazon. So let's look for it. So you see this book, Currency Trading for Dummies. It's a very good book, and I would recommend it for you to read to have more idea on what currency involved. But I've explained it to you in a very simple form. So the initial phase of becoming a forex trader involves learning, reading, listening to audiobooks, listening to videos, watching videos and all that in order to expose yourself to how the market works. And once you are done with the learning, then you have to practice with a demo account. A demo account means it's a virtual account. It's not real money. It's like 100K, 200K, but it's not real, it's not tangible. But it works similar to what happens in the real market. The only difference is that you didn't put the money there. Of course, you can't take the money out if you make a profit. Most forex traders offer demo accounts that allow you to practice trading in a simulated environment without risking real money. This is a great way to test your trading strategy and get comfortable with the platform. So once you've understood now about Forex, You can try your hands on some pairs that you like, and you can do it with demo account. Remember, demo account, don't use real money, because if you use real money, you may lose it and you start crying. Now that you've learned about Forex, you've practiced it, I would recommend you now to develop a trading plan. Most people that do Forex fail, they lose because they don't have a working strategy. So you want to be among the top 10% that make money from Forex. Remember, our goal is to become millionaires by trading Forex. And what differentiates people that make profit and people that make loss is people that make profit have a working strategy. They have a trading plan. They have a plan on how to reach their goals, what they will risk per trade, how much they are risking, what is their return, what is their win rate. They answer those important questions that amateurs and newbies don't. So remember, by developing a winning strategy, you have to back test it for several months or several years to be sure that it has worked in the past and hopefully it will work in the present and in the future. Now that you've done this, you can go to the next step of going with a Forex broker. Now, this is you becoming real. You're trying to use real money. But instead of going for a Forex broker and using your own real money, I would encourage you to go for this prop firm. You decide what works for you and what does not work for you. And that's what I'm telling you, use the demo account in practicing so that you won't lose real money in case it did not work for you at the beginning. So you can choose to trade with a Forex broker like eToro, Trading 212, and several other popular brokers, but ensure they are regulated and they offer the best slippage since you need it as a beginner. And also, if you don't want to go through Forex brokers and use your own money, you can use all these prop firms like FTMO, My Forex Fund, and several other prop firms, which means that if you pass their challenge and verification, they'll give you a lump sum of money to trade on their behalf, and you get to keep about 80% of the profit, which I feel that will help you because most of us may not have like $100,000 to trade. But if you take their challenge of about like £500, $500, or $1,000, you can be able to access a $100,000 account, which will give you more profit if you win. And I think that will be good for you as a beginning Forex trader. Finally, start trading and see how it goes, but start little. Don't double your money in a month. I know you've heard of those stories of one person that doubled their money. For one person that doubled their money in a year, there are 10,000, if not 10 million people that have tried the same thing and have failed. So it's about growing little and becoming big in making money. So now you've seen the basis of how to become a Forex trader. Let's look at how to become a millionaire Forex trader. So he's saying becoming a millionaire Forex trader is not an easy feat, but it is possible if you have the right mindset, skills, and strategies. Here are some steps to help you achieve your goal. First of all, you have to develop a winning mindset. So if you want to become a successful Forex trader, you need to have a positive mindset and be able to handle stress, setback, and losses. You should be disciplined, patient, and persistent. In trading, everybody loses money. So you losing money is not a big deal. But the difference between the winners and the losers is that at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of a year, there are people that have a net positive return compared to most people that have a net negative return. You need to have a winning mindset. Believe that you can win this game. It's a game. You're ready to play it and win it. And I can't overemphasize the importance of education. You need to attend seminars, go for trainings, learn about strategies, refine your strategies. Not easy. How many job pays you $1 million? So if you can get it through Forex trading, it means you have to put in that investment of learning and learning and learning. And similar to what we discussed, you need to practice with demo account, develop a trading plan. Either you're using technical analysis or fundamental analysis, either you are trading as a day trader or as a swing trader, either you are using qualitative analysis or quantitative analysis, either you are doing this or that, A or B, C and K, Z and Zemo. Whatever works for you, just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. So be able to manage risk. How much are you losing per trade? Instead of saying I'm losing £2,000, go with I'm losing 50 pips, I'm losing 10 pips. Quantify what you lose per trade. General risk, don't risk more than 2% of your capital per trade. Don't lose more than 2%. In fact, most people keep their loss per trade to about 1%. Choose the right broker that works for you and be patient. Making money through Forex is not a get rich quick. It takes time. In fact, it took me like a year to learn the basics. So it's visible, but it takes you time to learn. And you need to read books, watch videos, listen to other people that are doing very well. You can learn from other people's strategy, adapt it redapt it, edit it to what suits you. You are going for what suits you based on what you're comfortable with. So there are different strategies out there. I don't want to spoil it for you. You just go on YouTube, type Forex strategies. You'll see all kind of strategies out there. Refine it to what works for you. And if you're able to obtain a winning strategy, you'll be able to make wins over the short and long run. So if you are ready to be a Forex trader, smash the subscribe button, and it would encourage me to make more videos for you on how to trade the financial market, how to trade Forex. I try to keep this video very simple because a lot of people have asked me, how do I start? So this video is just on how you can start Forex trading. In subsequent videos, we'll go deeper into using indicators, using charts, using RSI, using MACD, and showing you the nitty-gritty of how to become a millionaire Forex trader. I hope that this video is able to expose you in a very simple term on how to start and grow. See you next in my upcoming videos. Take care. Have you subscribed yet? Subscribe.